Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, chances are you're staring at that frustrating E9 error code on your Bosch boiler and wondering what's going on. Don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you in a simple, step-by-step way. This error is one of the most common issues with Bosch boilers, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle it. First off, let's talk about what the E9 error code actually means. It typically indicates a problem with the water flow or pressure in your boiler system. This could be due to low water pressure, which is the most frequent culprit, or issues like a faulty pump or blocked filters. Understanding this is key because it helps you pinpoint the root cause without unnecessary guesswork. Now, onto the causes. The E9 error often pops up because of low system pressure, which can happen if there's a leak in the pipes, the expansion vessel is faulty, or even if you've recently bled your radiators and forgotten to repressurize. Other reasons might include a malfunctioning circulation pump or debris blocking the flow sensor. In older models, wear and tear on components can exacerbate these problems, so regular maintenance is crucial. Alright, let's get to the good part, the solutions. Start by checking your boiler's pressure gauge. If it's below 1 bar, you'll need to repressurize it using the filling loop. Turn the valves slowly until it reaches about 1.5 bars, then close them off. Next, if that doesn't work, inspect for any visible leaks around pipes and connections, and fix them if possible. You might also need to reset your boiler by turning it off at the mains for a few minutes and then restarting it. For more persistent issues, like a blocked filter, you'll have to turn off the boiler, drain it safely, and clean or replace the filter. Always remember to prioritize safety. Wear protective gear and ensure the system is cool before working on it. If you're not comfortable with these steps or the error persists, it's time to call in a professional gas-safe engineer to avoid any risks. In 2025, Bosch has updated some models with smarter diagnostics, so checking your user manual for specific advice could save you time. There you have it, your guide to fixing the E9 error on your Bosch boiler. I hope this helps you get your heating back on track quickly. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay warm and safe, everyone. See you in the next one.